Hi everyone, I'm Hugo, a member of the AC Digital Transformation team here at PentagonSolutions, and in this short video I'm going to talk about only one of many ways our team can help you eliminate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency while aligning with regulatory requirements. Large-scale BIM projects involve the creation of huge documentation packages for various stakeholders and their needs. This is typically a dull and quite time-consuming task. Dynamo allows an integrated approach, reducing human intervention, resulting in mitigated rework, speeding up project documentation, and ultimately allowing businesses to efficiently respond to demand. In this case, we were looking to automate the creation of floor plans and respective sheets. So, a Dynamo script was created to read all the levels from our project, making it applicable to any project. Then a few nodes were used to create floor plans for each level and place them into individual sheets. In between, to ensure compliance with naming conventions, the names of certain parameters were configured. Finally, the script is run and elements populated as required to the Revit project. It is as simple as that. If, like me, you're interested in streamlining mundane tasks, please feel free to reach out and our team will be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to be kept up to date with future videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.